Hello everyone, how y'all doing? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Jamaican rice and peas. Not every time you eat plain old white rice, spice up your rice cooking game with this Jamaican rice and peas and let your family members know that your cooking game has been upgraded. This rice and peas pairs well with goat meat stew, goat curry sauce, any form of peppered sauce or tomato sauce of your choice. But I personally love it with goat meat stew. Oh my god. If you love me to share my goat meat stew recipe, kindly drop a comment in the comment section and I would love to share it with you. Firstly, you cook your red kidney beans until it's about 80% done. You can get these red kidney beans at supermarkets around you. I got mine from ShopRite. So if you have ShopRite around you, just get it from ShopRite or a big market in your area. I think that in Lagos you can get it from Mile 12 Market. So I recommend you cook these beans with a pressure pot so that it cooks faster because it's a bit hard and it takes time to cook. Yeah. At this point, the beans was about 80 to 85% cooked. So you just set it aside with the water. You get another pot on medium heat, add in your washed rice, your properly washed rice. Ensure that you wash the rice very well. Then you add your red kidney beans in batches and mix it like I'm doing here. After you are done combining the red kidney beans and rice, add in some chopped onions, Scotch bonnet peppers, also known as rodo in Nigeria. Then go ahead to add your spices. I use ground white pepper, Oriental 5 spice, and Adobo all-purpose seasoning. Then add in coconut milk. I use canned coconut milk, but you can use homemade coconut milk. It works as well. Add in seasoning cubes. Mix it again. Just stir it properly to ensure all the ingredients is combined with the rice and kidney beans. Remember that water from the red kidney beans? Yes, add it back in and mix it again. This step is very important because it is that water that gives it the signature reddish brownish look. Then add in more water to cook it thoroughly. But if it's possible for you to get enough water from the beans to cook the rice, it will. But I didn't get enough water, so I had to add more water. It's better to add hot boiling water so you will not end up with soggy rice, and just leave it to cook. Ensure that you check on your rice at intervals like I'm doing here. You just use your spoon to pull the rice at the bottom to the top and the rice at the top to the bottom like I'm doing here. It's just to ensure that your rice is properly cooked. Our yummy Jamaican rice and peas is ready. It looks so nice and it tastes even better. I cannot even start explaining how great it tastes to you. You just have to try it yourself. Are you going to be making this recipe? I know you are going to be making it. Don't forget to tag us on Instagram at my recipe line. Leave a comment in the comment section. Like and subscribe. If you've not subscribed at this point, you can still subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button and most importantly, share with your family and friends. Remember, everyone deserves a treat.